At the Trade Mastermind, we've helped thousands of clients to earn more profit and start creating a life that they want to live. And we want to help you.
First day when I left and I won myself a job that I'm doing tomorrow, it's working.
Know the numbers, know the strategies, it's quite an eye-opener.
Are you a plumber, electrician, or in the building and construction trade and want to change your future? You don't want to spend the next 20, 30 years on the tools, do you? You want to create a company that's built for freedom, profit and choice.
It's extremely professional, very informative, and I would also say it's well worth the money.
Shows you quite quickly where we was going wrong, pretty much straight away. It's how to run a business.
Even spending half a morning here, I've learned more than what I've learned in the past 6 years.
I've helped all of the different trades in construction increase their sales by a minimum of 370%.
A lot more confident of myself and of my skills. Good opportunity to get the advice and make the changes.
Done 8 installations this month. I want to double that. Take my business to the next level.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul Selman. I'm the lead trainer of the Academy. We will take you through a step-by-step process that will help build your business. Business planning. We've done this with many businesses now where we've stripped them back, we've found the problems in the business and then we've helped structure it correctly. Business strategy. What products you are selling and how you're going to sell them. And more importantly, what price you're going to sell them at. Company structure. This is absolutely fundamental to running your business effectively. Marketing. So once the Academy has taught you the correct marketing processes, then your sales will explode. And once you master the skill of selling, then your life and your business will change. We're going to teach you how to handle objections and how to close customers. We will teach you how to maximize every lead you have and turn it into a sale and turn it into a job for your business. We help you structure your business effectively using spreadsheets and using the right accountability software to see if these systems and processes are working. You need to acquire your materials from a supplier. You can negotiate with these individual businesses and we can teach you how to do that more effectively. We teach you HR skills, recruitment skills, and operational structure. It's a step-by-step program that over a 12-month period is going to teach you the individual aspects that you are going to need to be able to build your business.
Very, very valuable information. They teach you a very simple way but effective way of calculating it and keeping on top of those figures in the business.
Live in-person business training once a month every month. Live business coaching once a month every month. And it's our online academy. I first started on the tools at 15 and by 19 I was earning 50k a year as a gas engineer, but I knew it wasn't all I wanted to do, and by the age of 29 I'd built the largest independent boiler installation company in the UK, going from tradesman to businessman.
It definitely works, 100%.
Click on the link below, fill out your details, and I'll see you on the free training.